Have you ever wondered why I always advise against buying a budget phone with just 4 gigabytes of RAM? 4 gigabytes of RAM has become the default starting point for almost every entry-level smartphone. And while it might seem okay at first, I usually recommend moving up to at least 6 gigabytes of RAM or even 8 gigabytes of RAM. It is not that 4 gigabytes of RAM is completely useless or can't handle basic tasks. The real problem is that most people don't know how to properly manage it. And as a result, these phones usually start lagging after just a short while, sometimes within 6 months to a year of use. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 10 proven tips to keep your 4 gigabytes of RAM phone running smoothly for at least 3 to 5 years. With today's budget phones receiving software support for up to 6 years, it is possible to extend the life of your device if you know the right tricks. Even if you are currently using an old 4 gigabytes of RAM phone, these tips will still help you make it run faster and smoother than before. Before we even dive into the tips, let's take a moment to really understand why a 4 gig RAM phone slowed down so quickly. Because if we don't know the root of the problem, it will be very hard to apply the right solution. The moment you buy a new phone, there are certain apps that almost everyone install right away. I'm talking about apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Chrome, and so on. Even sometimes, these apps come pre-installed. At first, they don't take up much space. But the more you use your phone, the more these apps grow with every update. They start demanding more RAM, more storage than they did on the first day. And over time, this puts serious pressure on your 4 gig of RAM. Another big factor is the background activity. Many apps, especially social media and messaging apps, they keep running in the background even when you are not using them. Add to the system apps and the pre-install apps, which we call bloatware, and you have a lot of hidden processes silently eating up your RAM and storage. Some of these apps even auto start by themselves and keep running non-stop. Apps store cache to make them load faster the next time you need to open them. But when cache build up excessively, it takes up storage and memory, making your phone sluggish over time. And if your phone has, let's say, 64 gigabytes of RAM and you've already used 60 gigabytes, or maybe you have 128 gigabytes, but you filled up 90% of it, performance will drop. Your phone will struggle with multitasking. App will take long to open. The overall system performance will feel slow simply because there isn't enough space left to breathe. And while system updates might sound exciting at first, the truth is they are not always a blessing. For budget phones with 4 gigabytes of RAM, system updates are designed to optimize performance and introduce new features, which works great on flagship phones. But for older or for low RAM phones, these updates often make things worse. New features, new apps, new processes demand more resources than your 4 gigabytes RAM can comfortably handle. Another issue comes from too many installed apps. Whether you use them or not, the more apps you have, the more background services and processes are silently running. This doesn't just drain your battery, it also eats up your RAM and storage, making the phone slow over time. And let's not forget about hardware aging. After a few years, processors and memory chip degrade slightly. At the same time, newer apps are being designed for stronger and more powerful hardware. This mismatch creates even more lag. Then there is the problem of a fancy animation transition in user interface like in One UI, in iOS from Techno, in XOS from Infinix, HyperOS or MIUI from Xiaomi. These polished animation look beautiful, but they demand extra processing power that your 4 gigabytes of RAM phone struggle to handle smoothly. Apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Cloud Message, and social media are consistently syncing into the background. They reduce the amount of the memory available for your tasks and slow your phone down. Bloatware apps don't just sit quietly on your phone. They often bombard you with consistent notification. This notification not only distracts you, but also consume processing power, leading to unnecessary lag when you are doing something important on your phone. By now, I think we've understood the major reason why a 4 gigabyte of RAM phone lags, And since we know the causes, now we can finally tackle them with the right measures. Here are the 10 powerful tips to keep your 4 gig RAM phone smooth for at least 3 to 5 years. Tip number 1, uninstall unnecessary app. Yes, I know you've heard this like 1,000 times, but the truth is most people still don't do it. Every app you install takes up storage, and many of them run services in the background even when you are not using them. The more app you have, the more memory and processing power gets consumed and the slower your phone becomes. Here is the rule: keep only apps you truly use. If you barely or if you rarely open it, you have to uninstall it. If you can access the same feature through your browser, you don't need the full app. Remember, fewer apps means fewer background processes, and that translates to a smoother phone. If you are a gamer and you want to play every titles like Call of Duty Mobile on a 4 gig RAM phone, you can't afford to fill your device with dozens of unnecessary apps. You have to keep it minimal, just the essential, so your phone can have enough memory to handle demanding games without lag. Tip number 2, use light versions of apps. Heavy apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, they can eat up your RAM and storage and the battery life quickly. That is why most of these apps have light version. For example, instead of using Facebook, you can use the Facebook Lite, Messenger Lite, Instagram Lite, Gmail Go, Google Go, TikTok Lite. They are designed to perform the same basic function, but with much less demand on your phone's hardware. Switching to Lite app is one of the easiest way to make your 4 gig RAM phone feel lighter and faster. Tip number 3, clear cache regularly. Cache files are stored by apps to make them load faster. They take a big toll of space on your storage and your performance. Then the solution is just to clear them regularly. You can do it by going to the setting of your phone, then find storage, then cached data, and clear it out. You don't have to do it daily. You can do it once in a week or at least once in a month. That is going to help you to free your memory and prevent your phone from becoming sluggish due to excessive junks. Tip number 4, disable or remove bloatware. In fact, this is the very first thing you need to do anytime you get your brand new budget phone with 4 gigabytes of RAM. Bloatware is a major enemy of budget phone. These are the pre-installed app and the games that comes with your device, and many of them they run silently in the background, consuming your RAM and battery even if you never touch them. The very first thing you should do when you get your 4 gigabyte RAM phone is to uninstall or disable the bloatware. If an app can be uninstalled, you can disable it in your setting. This is going to reduce the background service and free up your precious resources. Tip number 5, keep storage free. Storage space has a direct impact on performance. Always maintain at least 20 to 25% of your phone storage free. For example, if your phone has 64 gigabytes of RAM, try not to go beyond 48 gigabytes. Then move your photos and video to an SD card or cloud storage to keep your internal storage light. Even if you have a 128 gigabyte storage phone, a memory card is still useful. Like if you take a lot of pictures or you shoot videos or you download large files. Free storage equals smoother performance. Tip number 6, limit background processes. Too many apps running in the background drain RAM and slow down performance. Now, to control this, you have to go to your developer setting on your phone and set the background process limit to just 2 to 3 apps. This ensures fewer apps stay active in the memory, giving you smoother multitasking on a 4 gig RAM phone. Tip number 7, turn off auto sync when not needed. Apps like Gmail, Google Drive, and cloud storage service are always syncing in the background, even when you don't need them. This constant syncing consumes both RAM and CPU. Disable auto sync for apps you don't need real-time update from. Only turn it back on when necessary. And this will save the memory. It's also going to save the processing power, and even it is going to save the battery life. Tip number 8, Use lightweight launchers. Now, default launchers that comes with budget phones are often heavy and they are filled with animation. So instead, you can switch to lightweight launcher apps like Nova Launcher, Microsoft Launcher, or Smart Launcher. They use less storage, they run smooth, they give you better control over your home screen experience. Tip number 9, update software wisely. Not all updates are good for your old hardware. Not all updates are good for your 4 gig RAM phone. While updates are meant to improve performance and security, some heavy updates can actually slow down your 4 gig RAM phone. So don't rush into install every update. You have to stick to the stable, the light update that improve security, updates that fix bugs, but avoid big updates that overload your phone with new features your hardware or new features your RAM cannot handle. Tip number 10, restart your phone regularly. Many people underestimate the power of a simple restart. Now, restarting cleans up background processes. It frees up RAM and refreshes your phone's performance. So if you can, restart your device every 2 to 3 days. It is a small habit that make a big difference in keeping your 4 gig RAM phone smooth. If you consistently follow these tips, your 4 gig RAM phone can remain smooth and usable for 3 to 5 years without major lag. What do you think? Do you find this tip helpful? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you'd like me to make a video on how to optimize your 4 gig RAM phone to play heavy games like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, or eFootball, tell me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. It not only supports the channel but also encourages me to share more useful content with you. Thank you very much for watching this video and we catch you in the next one.